Imagine a world without our beloved moon, that celestial dance partner that has graced our night skies for eons. Today, we embark on a cosmic thought experiment as we explore the fascinating realm of moons in our solar system. Before we dive into our hypothetical journey, let's ponder the significance of moons. Moons are not just mere companions to planets, they play pivotal roles in shaping the cosmos. Take Earth's moon, for instance. It's not only a source of wonder and inspiration but also a stabilizing force that influences tides and even Earth's rotation. Moons act as cosmic architects, sculpting their planetary landscapes through geological processes. Io, a moon of Jupiter, showcases the mesmerizing dance between volcanic activity and gravitational tugs. Europa, another of Jupiter's moons, tantalizes scientists with the potential for subsurface oceans, sparking discussions about extraterrestrial life. Now, let's push the boundaries of imagination and ask, what if we replaced moons with planets in our solar system? Picture Saturn adorned with the vibrant rings of Earth's moon, or Mars casting its rusty hues across the sky as a Jovian moon. This intriguing planet-moon swap hypothesis challenges our understanding of the cosmos. Stepping into this alternate reality, we find Earth, with its newly acquired moon, basking in a radiant ring system. These rings would reshape our skies, casting ethereal glows during twilight. The gas giants, now adorned with terrestrial moons, present a unique tapestry of colors against the vastness of space. As an experienced astrophysicist, I can't help but marvel at the interconnectedness of celestial bodies. The delicate dance of gravitational forces and orbital mechanics would weave a narrative of cosmic choreography unlike any we've seen before. As we explore this alternate solar system, we'd encounter novel mysteries. How would the swapped planets affect the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth? Could the exchange of gravitational interactions give rise to unexpected phenomena? The realm of astrophysics, already brimming with enigmas, would unfurl new layers of complexity. Venturing into the realm of what if challenges us to rethink our understanding of the universe. While we may never witness such a cosmic upheaval, the exercise expands our minds and ignites curiosity. Join me next time as we continue to unravel the cosmos, one captivating idea at a time. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, keep gazing upward. Stay curious, stay awestruck, and until next time, wishing you clear skies and boundless wonder.